Welcome to CybARverse. Within this simulation, we will learn about cybersecurity. If you already know how to use the simulation, please move to the scenario control board and quit this scenario. Otherwise, just stick around for an introductory course. First things first, press the A button on your controller to move the script forward. Good. This is how I shall relay information to you, so make sure you read or listen to the script. The next task is turning around. If you lack the space to physically turn around, you can use the right control stick to turn. Again, you can look down at the simulation's controllers to see which part is highlighted. Next, teleporting. Our main method of transportation in this simulation. It's quite simple. Just point any of your controllers towards the floor and press the trigger button. Look for the shining pink area on the floor and teleport to it to proceed. Now, let's see how to interact with the various objects that will appear in the simulation. Simply point towards them and press the trigger button. For our last task, let's see how to also interact with the menus that will appear throughout the simulation. Like interacting with objects, all you need to do is point at them and press the trigger button. Use teleporting and turning to look for a window, which will be next to the scenario control board, and press the confirm element with the trigger button. Excellent! You are now ready to learn about cybersecurity in VR and AR. Head to the scenario control board and pick a topic.